Good day to everyone. Today I would bring a good news from the Google Meet updation. So they have given the new updation from the Google. Yes, the Google Meet free users now new update for unlimited meeting 24 hours till 31 March 2020. Yes, it's a great update from the Google Meet. So they have provided us for free users unlimited meeting 24 hours till 31st March 2021. So using Google Meet, we can conduct online examination, online meeting, so online webinar, interact with the people, and online seminar, everything we can conduct using all the benefit we were remotely connected with the Google Meet. Now the Google Meet providing free versions, so using that unlimited meeting we can conduct till 31st March 2020. Yes, let's see how the Google is officially announced till 31st March 2020's unlimited meeting. Let's see. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. Just go to Google and type blog.google.com. So it will direct you to the Google keywords. Just click product updates. You will find a different kind of products from the Google. So here you will find a cloud option. Just click all products. So here you will find, scroll down, you will find in cloud, you will find Meet. Just hit the button Meet. Yes, so here there will be an update from 29 September Meet update they have given. Stay connected with Google Meet. Yes, so just scroll down, you will find a major important point in third paragraph. As we look ahead to holiday season, so we are continuing unlimited Meet call up to 24 hours in the free version through March 31st, 2021 for Gmail accounts. So this Google is providing us continuing the services up to 24 hours free version through March 31st, 2021. So this is officially announced from the Google, so that we can able to peacefully take your online classes freely without buying G Suite or any other things. So this is a most trusted organization. Google is providing us the great information. Google for the user and by the user. Google always providing the greatest one for the users. Thanks for watching this update and stay connected with us HowXT channel, and once again subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Have a good day.